In 2016, the City of Calabasas started Phase 2 of a project that aimed to improve the Las Virgenes Creek ecosystem. Now it's complete and ready for public use. Welcome to the CTV special Las Virgenes Creek Restoration Project Phase 2. The Las Virgenes Creek got its first facelift in the area behind the Albertson Shopping Center off of Agora Road, where they exchanged the concrete corridor for a natural habitat filled with plants and the flowing water of the creek. Phase 2 got underway in 2016 with the goal of cleaning up, removing invasive trees and plants, and restoring the natural habitat to the stretch between Agora Road and De Anza Park.
One of the things we try to do with all our projects is really have a lot of public input. And so this project came about not only because we wanted to do something with this creek, really make it a usable space for the residents of Calabasas, improve the environmental aspects of it, but we wanted to put into place some of the ideas that came from the public. That's where we got the ideas for planting 1,000 oak trees, including the walkway, the handicap areas, including this gazebo and mini park here, including the educational aspects of this project, which include interpretive signing, areas for projects with the schools.
It was designed in such a way that all aspects of our community could enjoy it. We have ADA compliant trails. It's dog friendly, it's children friendly, it's senior friendly. I think this represents the best of Calabasas. It's well planned, it's an environmental leader in revisioning these storm drain channels.
When we're able to do a project and include environmental issues, park and rec, educational facilities, that's really a win for everybody, and that's what we tried to do here.
We have a very, very proud record of being environmentally strong and forward-thinking. This is a perfect example of that. We want to preserve our land. We have open space unmatched in the region. As far as the city funding some portion of this so that we could complete Phase 2 was without question something all council members supported.
The project overran just a little bit. We had to find alternate sources from the general fund, some grant funding, oak tree mitigation funds. Bringing it all together and making it work certainly is important, right? As you can see, for a project that lasted for as long as it did, coming up just a little short at the end didn't make sense. We came to an agreement for how we're going to fund this. We brought it back to council and they unanimously agreed that we need to spend a little bit extra, and we did.
I think the most important thing is that people get a chance to go down and you can walk the trails and then come up here in the gazebo and just enjoy the beauty of our city.
It's a beautiful place to bring the family to just enjoy the afternoon.
People can enjoy the area in its natural condition, as you see. In addition to cleaning it up environmentally, the aesthetics are very nice.
If you just want to get away and relax, this is the place to go.
I walk here with my wife every Sunday or whenever we have a chance. This is a nice trail and I invite everybody to do so. There is a lower trail and upper trail. They have different features. You see Calabasas from absolutely a different angle.